how to extract cart in REPO. So here's what you want to do. The objective of the game is to meet the quota in your top right corner. So what you're going to do is find items of value like so. I'm going to try not to break it. All right, so we're going to find another item. For example, this one. And you need to bring this to your cart. So once you have your cart, I'm going to be very careful here. I will just place it in my cart like this. So what we want to do now is get the cart here that we have and find an extraction point. So this is an extraction point here with the smiley or crying face. What you want to do is just place the cart here. And if you have met the quota in your top right corner, this is automatically going to extract in 3 seconds. So just wait for 3 seconds. Don't stand on the platform itself because you will get crushed. And if you have met the quota, this is going to extract it and complete the level. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.